Welcome back to Just Having Fun. Today, we're gonna have lots of fun. We're gonna make a spatchcock turkey. Watched a couple of videos, just looks so delicious, I have to make it myself. If you didn't know, now you know. We smoked the turkey out of the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. It was delicious. I'll link that video below if you haven't watched it. Please watch it. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments down there. We appreciate it. I'm also gonna do some of my mom's famous stuffing, so stay tuned.
Who likes cleaning the turkey? Not me. One of my least favorite activities of all time. After some time and searching around, I found a pretty good set of kitchen shears. These ones are heavy duty. Seemed like they'd do the job, and they did a pretty good job. Take it easy on me. It's my first spatchcock turkey and the first time ever using kitchen shears in this manner. When I watched other folks do this, it seemed pretty simple. They just gave it a good push and pop, it was done. Didn't seem that way for me. I had to give it a couple more tries, and then I heard that pop, and I believe I got done whatever had to get done in there, but it ended up working out great. I like to take a couple paper towels and pat dry the turkey, and then mix up the spices with some room temperature butter. And then just kind of smear the butter on the turkey. I'm also gonna melt what's left down, strain out the spices, and then inject what's left of that spicy flavored butter, which is gonna be delicious. Hey you, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Now this is a lot of first times for me. It's my first time spatchcock turkey, cutting out the backbone, injecting the turkey. I like to call that out because I'm not pretending to know what I'm doing. I'm actually trying something for the first time and hope that you do the same because it is pretty easy. In case you didn't catch it earlier, that's just garlic and pepper mix there. And then sweet rub of mine. Literally my favorite rub. I use it on everything.
Now how was that? That was super fun. Something I've never done before. I've never trimmed a turkey that way. I've never cut out the backbone with a pair of scissors, which I had to do some searching and found a pair of kitchen shears that will cut through the spine of a turkey. But I got that done, which is pretty cool. It was the first time I used my injector, so give me a break in the comments. I know it wasn't exactly the way it should have been. But it's the way I got it done, and I got it done today. That's how you learn, trial and error, and I appreciate the opportunity to go. So 325 is what I got the oven set for. We're just gonna go ahead and get it in there, 325. Keep checking the temp, and once we get up to around 160, I'll pull it and see where we're at. Make sure it's what we're looking for. It's all to your taste, right? So I always like to mix my spices with my butter and spread it all over my turkey when I make my turkey. And I'll do that for my Thanksgiving turkey. I'll do it for this turkey, Christmas turkey, whatever turkey you throw at me. I'm gonna do it the same way. I did throw a little chicken stock down in the pan, keep some water going in there. Also, it'll steam up and help cook from the bottom too. So we'll let it go. I don't know the amount of time. I'll update at the end when we try it out how long it took, if I had to do any type of wrap or anything like that. So more to come. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Time for mom's stuffing. Sausage, celery, onion, 1 stick of butter, 2 cups of stock, mix it all together, and you're ready to go.
welcome back. Well, turkey's done. It's fantastic, came out great, absolutely loved it. It's just juicy, fall apart. Most delicious turkey I've ever cooked, hands down. Spatchcock turkey, that's the way it goes here from now on, just so you know. I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a great time. The stuffing came out delicious too. We cooked it at 325 for just about 2.5 hours, right at 2.5 hours. I checked it out. I checked the temps. We're at 164 here, 180 here, 172 here. So I said that's done. I couldn't find anything less than 162. So I pulled it out. I let it sit for about half hour, 45 minutes, and then we just cut it. You can see all the juice is just pouring out here. The rub, the butter, everything we did just worked out perfectly. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a like and let us know how we're doing in the comments. Thank you so much. Try this turkey.